if it's a situation where they're responding to something that just happened, a lot of the case might still be in the process of being investigated. And oftentimes, they will basically allow that person to sit for hours and hours and hours as law enforcement is out there doing their investigating. And this applies particularly in the state of Michigan in state level cases, where people are oftentimes held for 48 to 72 hours before they have to see a judge. And what law enforcement will do during that time period is we'll be out on the street, pounding the pavement, trying to talk to witnesses, trying to gather physical evidence, all the while the client is sitting at the police station, doesn't have any idea what's going on, and may or may not have had access to make a phone call to get an attorney involved.